You're not going to believe me when I say this, but did you know that the Timus Connect app doesn't require any configuration on the user side? I know, it's hard to believe when most apps require some sort of IP or domain to input, but no, you heard me right. All the user has to do is install the app and sign in. That's it. Don't believe me? Okay, since you won't let up, I'll show you. The Timus agent can be found in a few places. First, the Timus Manager download section under Settings will always provide you with the latest version of the app. Since I'm installing on Windows, I can use the Windows installer listed here. Alternatively, one can go to our website and find the package there as well under the Resources tab in Documents and Downloads, and then they just need to accept the terms and conditions and download. For this video, however, I'm going to be using the silent install script that we provide to our partners for easy installation via RMM. I'm just going to plug it into PowerShell for the purposes of this video, however. So now the app is just going to be pulled from our cloud repo, and we'll just give that a few minutes to install. Now that the app is installed, I just need to copy over my Timus assigned email address, put in my password, and all I need to do is hit the connect button, no configuration required.